Diagonals. A diagonal is a line segment connecting two non-consecutive vertices of a polygon. Let's understand the definition with the figure. Here we have three figures: 4-side quadrilateral, 5-side pentagon. Here also 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 sides quadrilateral. Now consider the very first diagram. Suppose we have this point or vertex, this vertex. Consecutive means the number which come after that, means the here we are talking about the vertex. So after this vertex this will come. If we will go in this direction and suppose we go in reverse direction, then this will be its consecutive vertex. So each vertex has two consecutive vertex. Here also suppose this we are concentrating this vertex, then 1 and 2 vertices are the consecutive, others are not consecutive. Considering this, so this and these two vertices are consecutive means next to that, but this is not the consecutive. As per the definition, the line segment joining non-consecutive, here line segment is joining, see we can see here, but both are consecutive vertices, and we have considered this. So which vertex is non-consecutive in nature with this vertex? So this is the non-consecutive with reference to this vertex. Line segment joining, this line segment is joining two non-consecutive vertices, and hence this is known as diagonal. Same way for this vertex, the non-consecutive vertex is this. So hence we have two diagonals in a quadrilateral. Same way, let's take the example of pentagon and consider this vertex. So 1 and 2 are the consecutive, so which are non-consecutive? This and this. So let's join. So 1 and 2, these two diagonals are joining the non-consecutive vertices, one this and one this. From each point, from each vertex we can draw such type of diagonals. From here let's consider this vertex. So these two, 1 and 2, are consecutive, so these two are non-consecutive, so let's join them. Same way, from here these two are consecutive, so these and these are non-consecutive. So we have how many diagonals in a pentagon? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 diagonals. Now let's take this. Suppose we are considering this vertex, so consecutive vertices are 1 and 2, this is non-consecutive, so let's join. So this is the diagonal. Now consider this vertex, so consecutive are 1 to this, 1 and this 2, which is non-consecutive, this one, so let's join. So is this a diagonal? No. Why? Because we can see here diagonals are inside the closed figure, whereas this is outside. Inside means interior. Diagonals are interior to the polygons. It should not be exterior.